Hey everybody, today I'm bringing you this fan, Luxury Liner 1968. And just as the wind kicks up, hopefully you can hear me good. This is Susie, and we're going to go right inside so it's not windy. And she's going to tell us all about this. So this is their maiden trip with this camper, right? This is your first time out?
It is. We bought it in March.
And it is now October?
Yep.
And did you redo the inside?
We did some painting and some redoing, but a lot of it's done by the people before us. I did this part, and we put in the microwave, but the oven is original. The countertops.
And the oven works?
Yes.
Did you paint the cabinets?
I did.
And the curtains? Did you
No,
make the
they
curtains?
were here.
Okay. So it's all pink and aqua. And how about the upholstery?
No, that was done.
So this was it in really good shape when you got it?
It was really in pretty good shape.
You got lucky.
Yeah.
That doesn't happen all the time. Yeah. I'm going to go this way. Look at this. Isn't this adorable?
The TV was here. They had done that.
And this is wallpaper here?
I did that. Yeah.
Peel and stick wallpaper?
Yep, sure is.
Super cute. She's got a lot of cute accessories. And this crank, that's for an antenna?
Yes.
Okay. And then, like she said, the oven is there. Lots of drawers, a lot of storage. And the fridge is new, but it looks old. Yeah, and the same with the microwave over here.
I think I got the clock, but it looks like the old box.
Oh, up here. Okay, so it's a new clock that looks old. Okay. So tell me, did you have to do any structural repairs? Was there any leaks, any rot?
No. Didn't do anything.
Everything was good.
Mm-hmm.
That's amazing. Got an
Everything
old radio
works
down there. So show me this TV back here on the wall. Because
Well,
you had it on earlier. What exactly is it? Is it a modern TV inside that box?
No, there's a DVD player in there.
Okay.
And so you can play that.
So when I came in earlier, you had I Love Lucy playing.
Yeah, Lucy and Ricky were on there.
Yeah, and then you have speakers.
Yes.
Yeah, and air conditioning.
Mm-hmm. All the lights work.
And I'm sitting on the bed. It's very comfortable. And the chenille bedspread's gorgeous. And the flooring was done already? Everything?
Yes. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. There's a heater, and that does work, but we're not using that. We're just using electric.
And is this a bathroom?
No, this is storage.
Oh, it's just
Kitchen
a closet.
storage.
Okay.
Yeah. Lots of stuff.
So there's no bathroom.
Yeah,
the bathroom's back here.
Storage too. There really is plenty. I mean, we haven't even filled it all up.
So you have a full bathroom back here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So there's storage under the beds too.
And this is a storage closet here.
Yeah.
Okay. I just went to a festival and they had bags like this. Not with the camper fabric, but just made like that. And I had not seen those before.
There's a gal in Jonesboro.
Maybe here it is because it was a local show. And you said there's storage under the bed?
Yep, there is too. And all these little locks work really good.
Okay. So what's your favorite thing about this camper?
I don't know. I guess I like the beds. They're really comfortable. Mm-hmm. And the TV. And I painted the fan box pink.
Oh, so this is like a Shasta magazine rack.
Yeah, but
and
that's
it has
original.
an F for the fan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Try to copy that, I guess.
Super cute.
I like sitting at it's a really cozy little table and kitchenette.
And that probably goes down to a bed?
Yes.
And look at this. Did you guys put this in?
No, this was here. They did that.
Wow. Very
Yeah.
pretty. So you've had fun, I can see, finding all your accessories.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's been a lot of fun. Probably not done yet.
And this is just what is this?
This was here. There is a window, whatever you call it, but it needs cleaned
A
out.
ceiling
and-
vent.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we haven't done that yet.
Do you have a least favorite thing about the camper? Something that you would change?
I would change the color, the brown, which I know is original on the stove, but I
Mhm.
would like to figure out how to change that to match.
I wonder if you could take the knobs off and you could paint it. All right. Well, thank you, Susie. Thanks for showing it to us. Do you know how much it weighs
Oh, my husband does, but I don't know.
or how long it is?
Do you know how long this is? Do you know how long the camper is? You remember him saying? No.
So I'm going to show you outside.
Looks like it's twice as big as mine, although I always say mine's 10 foot, but I don't know. if
It's
that's
probably
28.
21, 23. I'm not sure. Really nice. All right, everybody, hit that thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.